Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we shall continue with our training Social Media Management 0 to Hero. So we are going to be taking the third class today, and that is text content creation. So in order to create good text written content for the company or the business you are working with, you have to learn about their history, their goals, what they are doing, and what they want to achieve. So also you have to get inspiration from similar Facebook or Instagram pages. So you have to check their competitors, you have to look at what they are posting so that you know what to post also. So you have to use the BPT text I'm going to show you and what is it and how to use it. Also, we are going to be using ChatGPT to generate the content. Also, we are going to be generating niche hashtags and also trending hashtags, because the niche hashtags have to do with the company you are working for or the business. As for the trending hashtags, these ones have to do with what is actually trending right now on the internet. So any person that is searching for such things can also view your post and they might engage too. And also you have to create posts, quizzes to engage with your audience. And also you should create content that asks questions and demand answers and responses from your audience. So this thing that I mentioned now, I'm going to be showing you live how to create the content and some of the things to know. So if you come here, you type ChatGPT login. So you click on it. Alright, if you don't have an account, you click on sign up to create an account. If you already have an account, just click on login. So I will log in with my Google account. Alright, so I'm here now. So there's a particular plugin, you can see the way it looks. There's a particular plugin you should also install, as in Chrome extension. You can just write AIPRM ChatGPT. AIPRM ChatGPT. You can see this is it. The first one here, you click on it. Then you now add to Chrome. You can only do this on your system, you can't do it on phone. Alright, it's added. You can see how the interface looks now. This is the same ChatGPT. Normally, this is how it looks. But after installing that particular Chrome extension, this is how it looks. So we're going to be using this. Now, here, if you want to type anything, you want to ask any question, this is where you type it. Here is going to be down here. Alright, so what is the very first thing you're going to be doing? The very first thing is that if you are working for a particular company or a business, you will try to generate problems that make people to go to them. If you are working for a dentist, for example, you are managing social media for a dentist, then you have to generate the problems, the issues, the diseases, or all the problems that make people to go to a dentist. You have to generate them. So if you are working for a fitness coach or a business coach or executive coach or leadership coach, you have to generate the problems that make people to go to this particular person. So for example, now if I'm working for a fitness coach, I will say something like list 100 problems that make people hire a fitness coach. You can see. So these are the problems that make people to go to a fitness coach. It's listing 100 for us. So all these problems now, you are going to copy them and save them in a particular file. You can use Google Doc, it's the best, because you can access it anytime. Okay, let me just stop So you are going to copy all these things here and save them in a particular place. So how are you going to use them? Each of these now, for example, let's say the first one, lack of motivation. You can say, write a short message on how a fitness coach can help solve lack of motivation. You know that's the first one. Just write this. Let's see. You can see. So he's going to write like solution, how the fitness coach, do you understand? Is going to solve all of these problems. You are going to be picking it one by one. So this is how to generate content. You can see now as if you have maybe 100 content. In fact, this itself can also be split into two. You can also use it for 2 posts or something like that. So this is one way. Another way is that you can also say list 100 ideal clients of a fitness coach. You want to know their clients. Who are those people that go to them? You can see individuals looking to lose weight, athletes seeking to improve performance, and things like that. It's going to list, you can say even list 100, 200 or anything. So let's just stop. So what do? You say you can apply something like this. Each of these you can do something like so you can see this. So write a short message on how a fitness coach helps individuals looking to lose weight. Let's see. You can say suggest a title you can see this is the title you can use for this particular content. Unleash your inner athletes, how a fitness coach can transform your body and mind. So this is very nice. So these are ways to generate content. You can see the very first one, the second one. You're just going to be changing all these things and you're going to be generating a lot of content for your clients. So all this content, I advise you that you generate a lot of them and you save them in your Google Doc. That's the best. Just go to docs.google.com. Click on new here, blank. Then you are going to be saving these things here. Anywhere you are, you can access these things on the internet. Unlike if you use MS Word, so you might not be able, when you want to access it on your phone, you might not be able to access it. So this is it. So another way is that you can say list 100 solutions or benefits people get from hiring a fitness coach. You can see. So these are contents. So after listing, then you can now say how write on how a fitness coach can help you with. So you now be using each of these. The business coach can help you with accountability, for example. Let's see. You can see this. So these are things you can do. You can say suggest a title. Suggest a title. So these are ways to generate content for your clients. So you can generate unlimited content depending on your creativity, how you can think, or things like that. But I'm giving you idea here. So the next thing here is that, let me go to new chat. You can come to this place. You can just search quotes. Quotes. You can see content research and online inspirational quotes, social media quotes, post, and things like that. So let me just pick this. So after picking this, you can see social media quotes, post. Then this is the language, this is the tone. You can make it maybe anything you like. I usually like persuasive, emotional, things like that. So you can say writing style, you can say persuasive or narrative. So things like that, it depends on you. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to say, look at this. I'm the social media manager for a fitness coach. Write 100 posts for me that will make his clients engage massively. So let's see. It is even giving you the hashtags and also the emoji. Another thing is that if you go to this place again, you can see inspirational quotes, you can see a lot of things. Anything you can just pick here and try to get content for your clients. The next thing is that I want to show you the BPT text that I mentioned, and that is what I use, and it's one of the best ways to generate the content. So you go to halaldollars.ng/BPT text. So when you go to it, so it's going to take you here. So when you are here, you can see this thing. We have it in three ways: educate me, challenge me, entertain, or motivate me. If you click the first one now, it has a lot of things under it. These are templates. Look at the very first template now. Lessons on things I did today. Did this thing today. Short context. Here are X lessons I learned in X time. Lesson 1 to lesson 5. Hope that's helpful. Look at it. It's applying this template to eat $100,000 in revenue today. All organic. Here are 5 lessons I learned in 10 months. You can see lesson 1 to lesson 5. Hope that's helpful. A screenshot. So you too, you are going to create something like this. You can just copy this and take it to ChatGPT. You say this is a template. You tell ChatGPT, you say this is a template. This is a template. So you now paste it. Now come down here. You say this is a sample. This is a sample. Now get that sample. But in order to get this text here, this is an image. You have to type it out. But there's a way you can also do it. Let's get this Chrome extension. Copyfish. Copyfish. So you're going to install this Chrome extension on your system. So alright, it has been installed. This is it here. So I want to pin it here. Now I'll come to this place now. I'll click on this copyfish. Then I will try to highlight where I want. Because it has get me the text. So you can try to copy it. If it's going to copy, a lot of times it doesn't copy. I don't know why. Copy. Let's see. Okay, this is sample. So let me paste it. If it's going to paste it. Okay. You can see it's pasting what I already copied before. So what I'm going to do is that, where is it here? Yeah, I'll just click on this as if I want to share it, this particular button here. I click on it. So then I'm going to copy it here from this place. I'm going to copy here. Copy. So I'll paste it. I'll go to ChatGPT and paste it here. You can see it has pasted. I just want to organize it very well so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Alright, So I'll now say, after giving the ChatGPT the template and also a sample, I will say, you can see, I'm a social media manager for a fitness coach. Give me 100 social media posts for his Instagram and Facebook pages using this template. Let's see. You can see that's the first one. This is the second one now. This is so great. You can see I'm feeding the ChatGPT with the template, then with the sample, and I'm saying that okay, I'm working for this particular client. Generate content for me based on this particular template I've given you. So you can come here now. Let's close this. You can come here. You can use this old versus new. This is another template. How to do things. How to do things. Old way. We want to for new way. We want to for new is greater than old. Look at this. How to build a one-person business. Old way. New way. Trust is greater than gimmicks. So you can just do the same thing and continue to generate content, massive content for your clients. So let me just stop. So this is how to generate content for your clients using ChatGPT, and these methods I've explained to you. There's something very important before I go, and that is generating hashtags. So you have to generate hashtags, and there are 3 types of hashtags you have to generate. The very first one is that you have to generate niche hashtags, and that is hashtag that has to do with a fitness coach. If you're working for a fitness coach, for example, and the trending hashtags, that's the second one. Those are the hashtags of things that are currently trending, things that are going on the internet, in the world. So you have to generate those ones too. And also you have to generate location hashtags based on the location of the company or the business or the place where they want to get clients. So you have to do something like what we did. You can just say something like this. Let me copy this. Copy. Let me go to new chat. So look at this. I'm a social media manager for a fitness coach. Give me 20 niche hashtags, 20 trendy hashtags, and 20 location hashtags. The business is located in the New York. So consider that in the hashtags. Let's see. So it's going to generate the hashtags for you. And these hashtags are going to be used in all the posts. Every post you make, you're going to be using these hashtags. So thank you.